Good morning from Grandpine Farm. It's August 8th, 2025, almost 9 a.m. They brought me some more wood chips this morning. Well, it's 62 degrees right now, so better get the chores done so maybe I can move some of those chips before it gets too hot. And they're all waiting for breakfast. Spaz came down to help. I'm gonna go round up those mice. I got Harold, Billy Goat, and chickens fed. Go down the other end and feed these animals, the herd. They're all fed now. Edith is wearing some hay. Got that new look going on. So I'm gonna go get some coffee, then I'll come back down here and water. And turn the irrigation back on. So far, it's a nice day. The sky is blue. I don't see any